Okay.
Looks like a guy.
This is
We go.
esports.
Anna.
Genji.
Monkey on me. I'm dead.
No idea why my hits missed there. I'm sorry.
By the way, Cheesy, you need to play up there with me.
Yeah.
We're down our healers.
Yeah, get out, get out.
I'm
Why
back.
am I so fucking bad today?
Genji in the back, Genji in the back. They won't have anything, but they're gonna be close to primal though, I think.
Just back out, Cheese. Alright, Cheese, we need to rotate
I don't know, Nate.
pressuring point, by the way.
I'm pressuring Monkey.
Okay, I'm gonna push.
Statue. And
And
on
on
point
point,
right
and
now.
I'm sitting directly on it. I'm
I'm
flying
gonna-
up left now.
I'm playing Fountain.
Monkey's looking for Anna.
Genji dead, Genji dead.
Someone in the back.
Monkey.
someone back on Anna.
Monkey jumped out.
Pressuring Anna in the
I'm on
back.
car, I'm on car.
I'm 1 HP. Dead.
I'm bubbling, I need healing.
Lucio 1.
Lucio 1. Lucio dead.
Give a headshot.
Monkey on Fountain.
Wait, the monkey no jump, monkey no
Yep,
jump.
chasing Monkey.
They're cool as well.
There's a Sombra here.
What?
Someone's
Why?
in the back.
Sorry,
I wasn't not headshot. Okay, it's fine.
I don't know why it wasn't.
It's fine. It's fine. Happens.
Cheesy,
they-
play with NGU when you get your neck back.
I didn't notice your.
Be back team. No fuck.
Doesn't
Spy
matter,
check for Sombra.
They have none of their.
She's up here.
They have bomb as well.
Nice.
Nice.
Thank you, Swank.
I'm contesting high ground.
We
Leave on me.
can
Monkey right side. Oh, he's going main, okay.
we nano monkey and barrage out afterwards
I need to know.
if needed.
I got slept. I'm just gonna keep pressuring.
Yeah, I'm with you.
Yeah, I'm with you.
I'm backing it.
Going back on. Diva, Sombra's. I heard there's somewhere back.
Sombra's just main.
Some
On card.
Main. Oh, card.
Yeah.
She's on card.
I'm just gonna play this high ground.
Sombra's gonna. She's coming over right side. Sombra. She has BMP here. Watch out.
Building.
How about Sombra? Sombra dead.
I'm primeling.
You don't
Wait,
need,
I
you
got
don't
a
need
big one,
more.
I think. I got a big one.
Okay, there you go.
Someone sipping.
Lucio weak, Lucio.
Yeah, I'm on Lucio.
Hey, peel, maybe peel.
Building.
Boosters on 2.
No.
We can stagger this Diva though. I think, yeah.
We
Yeah,
got
she's
it.
that works.
Team is good because we, me and the Ash. I can't names.
Yes.
Fuck.
Mercy.
I
want
shot
to say your
myself.
name.
That's cool.
Wait
I'm
up,
shooting
Spawn.
point.
Somebody
Yeah,
right side.
I'm on point.
Fine.
Watch out for
I'm on Lucio.
Kill the bot.
Oh my.
Oh, I just killed Lucio. Monkey half on the way. Never mind.
Genji tried to blade me.
Yeah, I'm killing
There's an
Genji.
Ana.
Genji 1.
I'm
Oh,
hacked.
Some planted.
And a right
getting
side market.
primal.
And a right side market.
Yeah, I'm just playing point.
Help,
Pick.
private plan.
Anna's still back right. I'm poking down Anna. Anna no nade.
And then it.
You wanted. I'm dead here.
Help Benji on right side. Ah, you can't.
Cheesy, can you touch?
Yeah, I'm touching.
Sombra on right side.
Okay, I'm on my way. No, it's us.
They got me.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna hold this high ground.
They're gonna have beat. They're gonna have. I don't think they have any. They're gonna have primal.
I'm hacked.
Can we help Benji? Yeah, no.
Oh fuck, I didn't know that.
Oh,
It's fine, it's back out.
It's fine. It's fine.
My bad, Esther. I thought you were on me.
No, that's alright. Just respond.
Coming back. Okay, let's go. We got this. What we're doing?
I'm gonna take the high ground on top right. I'm going 3,
No
2,
nade.
1.
Anna no nade. Let's go.
Yeah, I'm
to
just
find
taking
the
the high ground. Diva. No mech.
I'm going on.
Somebody no chance locator. I'm dropping to point. I'm bubbling.
Lucio
I
weak.
use bubble. Yeah, I'm on Lucio. Lucio 1.
Sombra in the back on top.
Sombra weak. Sombra not just looking.
I
on top, the deep lane.
don't know sleep. Monkey 1, primeling.
Genji weak. Or
Get
what?
him back. Good job.
I'm coming
Anna
back for heals.
Not anymore, not it. No.
Oh, my bad.
I
Sorry.
can rest it, I think.
Sombra
Can
Under
someone-
Mega.
someone pick me up? Can someone pick me up?
Yeah, I'm coming main. Can you even
No.
get that? No.
No, I can't.
Can I just get a little bit of healing on top?
Yeah.
NGU, any position changing? Just let me know, so I know where I can play in that.
They have, they have nano,
Actually, I'm back.
they have nano blade now. They have EMP as well.
They have bomb
We-
as well, I think.
We use bomb when they blade.
Okay.
Other than that, try to find Diana.
I'm being dope.
I'm back behind.
They nano Genji, watch out for blade. I'm just gonna die point.
Yeah, me too.
No.
Dial a point. Oh, too bad we didn't have ball.
Okay, I'm gonna commit to point real quick.
Yeah, same.
I'm going 3, 2, 1. No, only me. Oh, fuck. Lucio.
Yeah.
I'm just going
it.
for it here. Fuck it.
So
Oh,
anyways, after
Suck
this.
attack.
Cheesy, remember what I said about rotating it?
Yeah. Sorry.
It's fine.
Switches.
Switches.
Oh,
Reaper, Ryan.
I think stay monkey would be better here. There's literally nothing I can do on Ryan against them.
Okay.
I'm kind of fucked. Wait,
Wait, does anybody need a charge? Yeah,
just kill me.
Yeah,
I've got
spawn,
ult charge
go
for you.
Sombra.
I got shit spawn. What do you want?
Sombra.
Sombra? Okay.
Actually, I've got ult charge point. Never mind. I'm gonna on the high ground. Genji on me. Genji half.
Dropping down.
I've blocked
Monkey
it
sleeping
mostly.
on top.
Wait, I
Never
was
mind.
Genji in the back. Genji
I'm
on
backing
me,
up.
right side.
Yeah, I'm going to help a little bit.
No, he's out. Oh, Genji's
He's
still
still
there.
here.
Monkey
dead.
jump.
Sombra left side, top.
Yep. Top hander. Fuck. Sombra.
Sombra on the back. Sombra's out, right side.
Monkey's empty.
Yeah,
Monkey's empty.
I'm on monkey.
Diva sleeping. Little.
Echo court.
Okay, I'm on Diva. I'm on Diva.
Diva.
Lucio, beated.
Monkey behind.
Monkey behind on Ana.
I'm going in.
Monkey one on point. Monkey half, monkey one now.
I'm weak. I'm staying back.
No.
I'm hacked. Genji on point.
I'm on Lucio. Jumping out.
I'm gonna hold. I'm gonna wait.
So we're gonna have primal here.
Loose hack. I'm behind court.
Yeah, I can't commit to it. Sombra on me. I'm dead. Genji half in that back.
Point for point.
Yeah.
Cheesy go point. Should you waste the EMP?
Tags on point. Reaper. Ryan.
I can't get there.
No.
Did you know what just blocked my fucking shot to here, Chemist? The fucking railing, dude. I'm so tilted.
I was behind the wall and the bomb got me somehow.
Really?
Yeah.
I,
it was weird.
I was just on the last point thing, and I thought I would die for sure. and just
I
didn't.
blocked it.
Yeah. Somehow.
I jumped and pressed E.
Oh wait. Did we already play both? No.
No.
But we should reset. Wait.
I mean, it's
No,
over.
we don't need to. They got 3 minutes.
overtime.
I'm very confused. I've been working the entire.
You don't need to do anything.
Yes. That's nice.
Oh, torture.
I think we should play Genji with that. Genji Diva. And yeah,
I'm going some scout him. Oh, Jesus.
swap to and we swap to Sombra if it doesn't work.
Mm-hmm.
Just in general, Cheesy, me and you need to communicate more to rotate like point control and you on healing duty.
Oh, yes.
And then like I need pretty much constant updates, or we need constant updates on where NGU is playing. Because otherwise we won't be able to play in line of sight. And Spunk, try and keep up the scouting.
They're on red.
I'm gonna
Nice
take red.
They
I'm
take
going
some
3,
point.
2, 1.
Monkey jumped yellow.
Okay, yeah, monkey on yellow.
Sombra on card.
Sombra on card. Sombra out.
TP out.
Monkey.
Yeah.
Monkey down.
Monkey.
jump red.
Monkey on point, no,
Monkey on
point, monkey on point, no jump.
monkey.
He's up. I cut off supports.
Monkey's low.
Yeah, don't chase. Play safe.
Wait, Anna back. Anna.
Yeah.
And on top.
I did. Oh, monkey.
Monkey. Lucio.
Lucio one, Lucio dead.
I'm on D.
Someone
Someone
card.
point,
Yeah, keep
someone.
pushing.
She's out. He was low.
Genji.
Pressuring Diva.
Reloading.
Genji left, mid.
Playing card.
Okay. Cheesy, be ready to peel for Sombra when it gets cold.
Yeah,
And for the NGU.
She's
even.
probably on the left side.
Getting no deflect.
Yeah, spy check.
Two left.
I found her.
Lucio left. Lucio left.
Behind us.
Monkey
Genji
on
on
the
the left,
right.
yeah. I need healing main.
Monkey to jump.
I'm antied, playing safe.
Genji on card.
Yeah, I'm backing up, I'm dead.
Someone on my back.
Someone back.
Can I stop to fucking suck so hard, dude?
It's fine.
Oh, no, it's not. Jesus Christ.
Literally 1 HP, that's all.
Oh no, Biggie cheese.
Cheesy!
Oh,
Aw.
that was so close.
They can have EMP now. Did they play Genji from the start?
Monkey in the
Yes.
tunnel with Lucio.
Okay.
Monkey left side.
They're gonna have
Okay,
as well.
I see. I'm pushing through the tunnel. I'm gonna play this high ground. Contesting it.
Still left here.
Yeah.
Vision of deflect.
I'm gonna go in the
Lucio,
back line.
Lucio
Wait.
dead.
On the monkey.
Okay, I'm diving the back now.
Monkey in the back.
Anna dead. Genji on me.
Diva weak.
Someone back on me. Yeah, getting out. Oh, I'm hacked. This is the worst day of my life.
So far.
So far, truly.
We still have Nanoblade and
I'm out.
Sombra.
Yeah, some remain. I'm contesting monkey on the high ground. Breaking bubble. Diva on me. Lucio wanted. He's dead. Diva main. Diva half.
Is he on
Diva
the
hack.
Diva hack. Diva. I don't want. I can't block that. I'm on Sombra on point.
Someone point.
Yep, Sombra's one.
Out. No, Sombra's left side still.
I'm on Lucio. Sombra's on Mega.
Someone mega.
I'm on Genji on point.
Genji point.
Get the card, people. Get the card.
Get out.
Yeah, I'm dead. I'm coming up on Primal again.
Yep. They still have Nanoblade, right? They still have Nanoblade. They still have Beat. They're gonna have another monkey. That's it. Yeah, we just have-
Monkey on the left.
Okay.
Someone back.
Sombra. Spawn, can you tell me where the Anna's playing?
Far back left. On the
Far back left? Okay, I'm gonna dive the Anna. Ready? I'm going 3, 2, 1.
She's in the house. On me.
Monkey in the back. Someone in the back as well.
Oh, and you? Okay.
She's out.
Oh, fuck, we see 9 again.
Yeah, where you were, that's where she was playing.
Yeah, I was going on
and
under
then
right now.
So then she went to the house. The big
Primal
house.
doesn't have googly eyes.
Rip Primal. Popped off. Oh, this is some big numbers. Oh crap.
No one needs a pause? No.
No.
Oh, well, good.
Dog piss map. What? Oh, what are we playing here?
On defense, just. I mean, defense we can just play. Let's just play Orisa, D.Va, Ash Drunk,
Hunker dunk.
Mercy Bob.
PP.
Okay.
Never mind. JK, I'm back.
Wait, what am I playing?
Orisa.
Okay.
Is that online?
I do not like those googly eyes on Orisa.
Or
They're
is it
scary on
offline?
Mercy because they're super big.
Look at my face.
Can I look at your face?
Wait, which one are you?
Which one are you?
What do you mean, which one am I?
I don't know.
There's only one
Yeah.
main tank.
The googly
This
eyes on
truly is
Mercy
one
are
of the most
enormous.
horrific things I've seen all day.
They truly.
On Overwatch, at least.
Oh, I love this so much.
Honestly, it's one of the best ones I've seen in a while. Like in general,
Uh,
just not in Overwatch.
Sponks, tips and trips, traps.
What?
Actually,
With those words?
Tips and tricks. Let's go.
Okay, we in game, we in game.
swear to God. They
They're
got
playing
monkey,
monkey?
I'm
They're
afraid.
playing some robots probably as well. Cheesy,
Monkey,
Monkey trap!
Fuck.
Spam monkey, spam monkey, spam monkey.
point,
I'm fine.
rotate point. Some on point, some on
Yep,
top, some on
some
top.
run high ground, some run high ground. I'm dropping right side.
Genji me.
I'm
Genji
pulling.
still, on top on support.
Oh fuck, baby, they were just started flying.
Yeah, I'm on point. I'm gonna die. I'm dead.
Winnable?
Wait, I got immortality feed! No.
Nice it.
God damn it. I didn't see the HP of the
I think I should go monkey.
I think yeah, with Monkey we have to swap to Iron as well. Okay.
Yeah, just die on point, cheese.
Yeah. Contesting point.
Playing right side high ground.
Okay. I'm gonna hold this choke.
I'm gonna swap Lucy as well.
I'm gonna
Somebody's
press
on the right.
Monkey.
Sombra coming back, bug. Got Sombra dead.
Some are dead. I'm gonna dive Diana.
Monkey not back.
I'm going top left. 3, 2, 1 there.
Lose your point.
Anna's
Monkey.
dead.
Lose your weak.
I'm anti.
Lose,
I need
lose.
healing a point. I'm anti. I'm dead.
I'm on D.Va now, D.Va weak.
Monkey on NGU.
Drop down the point.
I'm
That's
on
a
Genji.
Genji.
Getting on deflect it.
Angel deflag,
Yeah,
good
nice.
job.
Monkey now.
Monkey main.
I DMX D.Va.
Turn back to
Sombra
spawn
main.
for heal.
Oh, I don't know if I'm gonna survive this.
Ooh. Just so
Okay,
fucking
lovely.
sweet fly past my head. Whoa, bitch.
The top left, they're gonna have nanobit here, they're gonna have EMP. I think they have everything, they haven't used a single thing yet.
Someone hunted, I think.
We nano chemist,
Monkey in the back.
then noblet.
I'm going into that
Monkey's
back.
one. Primary.
Yeah, I'm on Lucio. Get
Give up,
get
give
Lucio
up.
with me, son. Next to you.
On point, Genji on point.
Lucio dead.
Probably a point. Right side point.
D.Va dead.
I'm a monkey.
Monkey,
Genji one. Genji dead. Kill 3. Monkey dead.
You don't need
Sombra. Sombra.
Nice. That was real smooth.
And pop right again.
They didn't use EMP there. They still have bomb, I think. We just use bot for point control.
Tell me when they're pushing.
They're pushing a little bit.
with NGU for now.
They got eaten. Bubbling. D.Va
Someone's
half.
left side under.
Reloading.
They
I'm
use sleep.
stepped.
So that's not lucky.
Sombra's still left side somewhere.
I'm on. Huge healing. Huge.
I need heals.
Yeah, I don't know, you're both in heals.
Okay, I'm going in again.
Yeah, I'm gonna play. Oh fuck! I didn't know that Genji was there.
Again,
Enchanted.
Done.
As well.
Some on me on top.
Diva dead.
Orb on point.
Sombra no translocator.
God damn.
I'm playing point. Killing Sombra.
Huge beat.
Fuck! I lost track of the Sombra. Sombra's dead.
Lucian point.
Yeah, I'm on
Lucio
Lucio.
weak, Lucio weak.
Where is he? I've lost him. He's one.
Wait, Anna.
Lucio dead.
Monkey,
Can we
monkey.
get the Anna top left?
Yeah, I can't go on it.
GG.
I'm stuck.
I got her.
Okay, we're good.
Monkey on NGU. Monkey on NGU. Back right. And Genji.
Monkey one. Genji
I'm on
one.
D.Va.
Monkey dead. Genji dead.
Good job.
We get D-Mac D.Va here.
Yeah, dagger.
Sega.
They have a Reaper now as
Oh,
well.
wait. Everyone team.
See, what are they doing?
Okay, she's 1 health. Don't hit.
Yeah, what a...
That's not 1 health. Sleep does 6.
5.
It was like 1
Fine.
bar. Okay.
Genji's coming main. Oh god. Anna top left.
Yeah, I'm contesting top left again.
Death Reaper.
Get in the middle.
Oh wait, he's might
Oh, yeah,
just
they don't
TP
have-
for you.
D.Va.
Yeah, they're not pushing for a while.
They
Building.
Genji weak bottom. Genji top again. I'm backing up.
Bombing that.
Breaking bubble.
monkey.
I'm 1. Reaper right there. Reaper emptied.
Yeah,
They're down Anna though. They're not gonna.
yeah, they won't push that. We won't push that. They still have
Oh,
nano.
they
With
just,
this.
yeah, they're going. They're bottom,
Oh,
they're on point.
they're gonna go now. Watch out.
Cheese, you got fine.
Monkey one.
I can come to point now, Cheese, if you want to go get healing.
Yep.
I'm on D.Va. I'm on
Lucio,
D.Va. I'm on
Lucio,
D.Va.
Reaper
Okay,
on
Lucio.
back.
Reaper back.
Give me that back.
And
I'm
I
back-
bet you,
I'm
I
back.
bet you.
Yeah, coming. Reaper. Good.
Lucio point.
Lucio.
Yeah, I'm on Lucio.
Monkey point.
Yeah, I'm on Monkey.
Support panda.
I'm on Anna. I'm on Anna spawn. Anna 1. Genji. Oh fuck, Genji's
Genji.
fighting. I'm just killing Anna. Oh, I'm slept. I can't get to point. I'm on point. Jumping up. I'm dead.
I'm gonna die.
Yeah, so unlucky. Still decent hold.
Yeah,
At least for second point.
Yeah, first one we just rotated to slow. Then we like rotated from different angles, so we were pretty split.
Oi. Holy shit, Tracer. Googly doogly boobly.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Cyber dive. Just Sombra Genji.
Sir.
Sabadabber.
With the
Tracer,
googly
that's
eyes,
not a dive
Monk-
character.
With the googly eyes, Monkey looks like so perplexed with everything that's directly below him.
Look at Genji. What the fuck? This makes no sense.
Oh, that's weird as fuck.
Wait, what? Where are your eyes?
There's somewhere in the helmet.
Wait, where's the on D.Va? Where the Google is?
It's inside.
Yeah, it's inside on the
Dude,
actual.
fucking look at us.
Bigger G's! Stop running!
Okay, yeah, it's on the pilot.
God damn it, G's. Can I see?
Need to focus on pathing.
Wow,
Can you
wait.
see? Can you see Sombra's googly eyes? Or she's
Wait,
in this?
Wait.
G's, can I see?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Monkey.
You're a dick.
Wait for scouting. Yeah, pandas just scout what they
Yeah.
have. Anna. And again,
Genji. And I'm just gonna hack the mega below first.
I'm gonna jump like where they're playing.
Reaper.
Are you ready to hack someone? Cause I'm gonna jump.
No.
Okay, well I'm just gonna go for it. I'm going 3, 2, 1 now. I'm slept. Bubbling. I'm dropping. I'm jumping up again. Reaper
One
TP.
gets
Reaper
up.
TP.
Come and sleep.
Reaper slept.
I can't help you with that.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Now. He's half.
Yeah,
He's half.
he's
No
out.
way. No, he's still in. We can get him. We can get him. Reaper 1. Reaper dead. Contest him
Both
high
tanks
ground.
on point.
Take some point.
Diva.
I'm
Diva
playing
on
main.
Reloading.
Diva on point.
Yep. I've got bubbling 1. Bubbles up.
Genji on the left.
Green to the left.
Yeah, I'm on Genji. He's there.
Lucio low. Diva anti.
I'm going on the Ana.
I'm playing main low ground.
I nanoed. I'm primeling even.
Tigers on point.
Lucio hacked on point, half.
Lucio.
Dead.
Lucio
Next
dead.
time.
Diva.
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 Diva point.
I can't block that mostly.
Next time.
Get out. Maybe.
I'm dead.
Yeah.
Monkey on NGU.
sleeping,
Slept.
he's low.
Reaper on NGU again.
We've won.
Reaper dead.
Reaper dead. Nice.
If we're fast, we can just. Oh no, they're Sager and.
And I'm back.
Yeah,
Oh fuck.
yeah. We had to. No, we have to wait for trees. They use Nano Blade. Did they use Primal as well?
I don't know.
Okay. They still have Repold.
And on the right. On the top right.
Okay.
They still have Primal. They still have Bomb.
Monkey on the left. The
I'm
right.
gonna jump the Ana.
Yeah, they're both 3 on the right.
I'm going 3, 2, 1 now. I'm dropping. I'm dead.
Yeah, I'm out of it. Sorry.
It's fine.
Yeah, good up. Reaper back.
Reaper on NGU.
No rave. What the
The ulti.
fuck?
Monkey on me. I'm just gonna go back to spawn. Wait, does anybody need ult charge? No.
Oh my god.
It's all good.
Monkey's currently sitting at the bottom. Never mind.
I've none of happiness.
Let's.
Oh no, I'll save for
They're
now.
top right
And I'm back.
again.
Yeah, they're top.
I can
And I'm
force
back.
point here.
Poke Ana.
Forcing point now.
Okay.
And
I'm gonna.
looting.
I'm jumping top
Monkey,
right.
monkey on the right side. Monkey on the right side. Mate.
Lucio
I
hacked.
don't know, Nate. I'm
I don't
anti.
have
I'm
feet.
dropping. Thank you. Lucio dead.
No,
I'm
we can go now. We can go now.
You don't have to beat.
I'm half. I'm dead.
Reaper
dead.
top, Reaper
I'm
top.
one even.
Reaper top.
Yeah, I'm gonna play middle of point. I'm dead. Fuck. I couldn't get there fast enough.
Diva low. Diva really low.
Diva 1.
Reaper TP top.
No, blade EMP as soon as you can.
I can touch point.
Follow me.
Okay, I'm going to point.
Hey,
I'm just going point now.
Reap up top. So
I'm on point.
just go.
On the back line.
I'm on Diva. Oh, I'm not on Diva. I'm dead.
Wow, Chase, you go on there by yourself, but when we both can go on